Hi everyone, this is Iyad and welcome back to this series where we get to know our gear more and more. So this series will be called Know Your Gear Better. There will be also more videos about it, talking about this, of course, camera. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and we will get to know every menu here and every swipe from above, from down to left to right, to know our gear more and how we can of course know more about the gear and how to deal with our gear more and more. So you can see all the videos about this camera, and there will be also of course more videos in the future about it. I'm just starting this playlist, Know Your Gear Better, so that means deep dive in every gear that I maybe will buy or will maybe sent to me by some sponsors on this channel. So let's deep dive in this camera. And first of all, we're gonna go to the menu here. As you see, or maybe as you know, this camera has two menus. As you see, this is the first one and this is the second one. I hope you can understand me. Of course, if you don't understand me or don't understand some words, you can always, of course, activate the subtitle or activate the dubbing, in this case, of course, another languages. So as you see here, the first one, the quick capture icon. What they mean about it, the quick capture. So quick capture, that means this button here on the top of the camera, when you just press it, when the camera actually is totally turned off, you can just press this button here for 3 seconds and the camera will start up and directly start shooting. And when you stop it or you want just to stop recording, also press it 3 seconds and it will be turned down and the video will be saved. Of course, you can turn this on or turn this off. This one, that means of course rotation lock. This one, that you can control the camera by, of course, using your hand here. As you see, they call it here palm and also base sign. So you can, of course, give it. You can give the camera orders, and it will do what you, of course, want. As you see, you can, of course, activate this one here. It's very helpful, and also some people want to use it. Record, of course, record. You can start or save the video for 15 seconds before you press the button. So that means when the camera actually is turned on and you are on the video mode, the camera actually is already recording. So when you just press the button just to record, that means the 15 seconds before you hit the button will be, of course, recorded. So this one, with this mode, you have advantages and disadvantages, so you need to be careful how to do this. Of course, this one, if you want to go with the camera underwater, here you can see it will be more stabilized, distortion correction and color correction, realistic and natural look. So if you want to, of course, go and dive with this camera, you can always activate it. And here, this one, you can, of course, lock this camera and you can, of course, swipe to unlock it. We will go again here, AI. Current resolution does not support AI. When, of course, I put it on the, as you see here, we have 4K 21. If I will just go to 30 and I will go back to AI, when you are recording a video, he will start capturing a thumbnail, depends on or using the AI. So you can, of course, maybe this is something actually helpful if you want to use it. This one, of course, grid. You can grid, activate the grid, and then in this case, as you see here, we have some lines on the screen itself. Of course, you can always go back and turn it off. And this one, voice control, you can also control the camera with your voice. So now you have like 2 or 3 ways to control the camera by the buttons, or using your voice, or using, of course, your hands. As you see here, you can also extend or use an external mic, or using the built-in mic. And also the built-in mic, you have more, you have 3 options: wind reduction and voice enhancement, and also stereo mode. And also you can see actually what every mode does or do. So that will give you, of course, but most of the time if you are outside and it's winter, wind reduction is of course pretty necessary. Or if you are actually in the summer, so voice enhancement, because it will be also maybe there's no noise, there is no wind, but there is noise outside, or stereo. Also here at the corner you can manage the external mic gain if you want to, of course, make the gain, or go with the gain min 6 till actually min 18, or go up till plus 9 dB. Or Bluetooth mic gain, also you can extend the gain on the Bluetooth, or on the external mic, or Bluetooth mic in this case. Here you can go to the screen reader. When it's on, the camera will prompt via voice for various command and updates. So this one actually just for this camera until now, Explorer grip. So if you have actually the Explorer grip, that also you can buy with this camera. And by the way, also this camera you can add to it a smaller printer. It's just actually has been designed just for this camera, so you can take a pictures and directly print it and give it to your loved ones or your audience or whatever. As you see here, also we have this one. We have multiple lenses here, all that you can use actually, as you see here, close-up lens and star filter and black mist filter. This is the standard lens, and this is ultra-wide lens, and this is cinematic lens. Here you can see enable eye log mode. So if I just press this one, as you see, we will go directly to the cinematic mode, and you can see the lens here on the lens icon at the top, the corner. As you know, the lens also in this camera, you can take it off and change it to many lenses. So I will go back actually here and go back to the standard lens, and here you can see the Bluetooth headphones. You can connect it, or microphone, Bluetooth remote, pocket printer, as I mentioned a little bit earlier. Here also you can go to the camera settings. You can check the version of the camera, general, customize, power button. You can, of course, as I mentioned while recording, add a marker. Like, there's of course not so much buttons here on this camera, but you can of course use it, Wi-Fi settings, SD card, languages, reset tutorial, reset camera. So you can explore these settings here. There's not actually so much to do. Here I will end the video to go to another actually settings in this camera. So see you with the next video.